Hey guys, Greg with Planet Green Zen, and thank you for coming to this YouTube channel. Now, what I do here is I love to inspire the world in 5 areas: mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and socially. Because I believe that if we all had a balance of these areas in life, we could live better as a human race. We will abolish slavery, hunger, famine, disease. We'll be healthy, wealthy all together, and be able to just enjoy this planet that God put here for us to be able to enjoy with the exotic foods, cultures, traditions, scenery, everything. So again, if you guys like my messages, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel, please. Share, comment, and like the videos. It helps out everyone. Now, today's topic is actually on how to have better visualization, because that is something that's hard for a lot of people, is actually to really truly visualize what they want. I mean, down to the T, where you can actually describe everything. You can describe the color of the paint, the carpet, if you are visualizing yourself in your dream home, the different lights you have, even the restrooms, the toilets. Like, you want to develop better visualization. So what you want to do is maybe you go on the internet, get a book or something, or read a blog on descriptive words and being detailed. So what you do is write out your wants and desires and be very detailed. As far as, I'm just say, oh, I want a car, because if you get a car that's like a, I don't know, a 1980 Gremlin or 1950 Gremlin, whatever year that Gremlin came out, and it's an ugly car and it doesn't work and it keeps stopping and keeps having problems. You got the car that you wanted because you said car, you visualized the car, but it wasn't specific or detailed. You have to get detailed, like, okay, you want a Ferrari, whatever. Again, I'm not a car person, so I'm just going to make up a Ferrari X20 Series 2 with chrome wheels and blue paint and, you know, your leather interior. Again, you want to describe it down to a T, so you know exactly what you want, and not to be general. Even if you want more money, like, that's usually big financial freedom. So I always want a lot of money, I want to be rich. That's not, you have to visualize what you want to be specific. So, okay, I want, you know, X amount of dollars coming in each month, residually, after all bills are paid in full. I want to have an abundance of cash flow in my bank account that I check for this specific amount. Again, you want to be specific in numbers. You know, I want to be financially free by this date, earning this much money. Again, there's the exact dollar amount by this date by providing these services or products to people. You have to develop that, and then you visualize it and see it every day. Literally believe that you already have it in your possession of it. Give thanks in the present tense, like, you know, thank you, whatever you believe in, God or universe, for letting me have this abundance and attracting this and acquiring it in my life. You want to really visualize specifically what you want every day, in the morning when you first wake up, and at night when you first go to bed, because it helps you, reprogram your subconscious mind and train your thoughts, just like the mental training. Just like anything that's worth doing, you have to train and get better at it. So the more you do it, the easier it gets, and then it becomes autopilot, and then you are doing it every day, and then you start to see that things are coming into your life that you didn't have before, you didn't expect. Felt like it was a coincidence, but typically I believe law of attraction, and you get guided to where you need to be based on your habits. But yeah, all that stuff, guys. So again, I want you to just visualize really sharp and clear and very detailed what you want. Again, try an exercise. Write out what you want, and then look at it and see how specific can you get, and try maybe 3, 4, or 5 edits, whatever you need to be able to get it exactly. You would know when it's right. When you see it and you say it, you're going to feel good. You're going to really see it, and when you see it, that makes you feel good, because you picture yourself either in that car driving on a freeway or an open road, or looking at your bank account and seeing all those $10,000, $20,000 direct deposits, and you're just like, wow, this is amazing. So really visualize what you want, think about it every day, know that it's there, that it's coming. You have to truly have a burning desire and willpower to know that it will be wherever you need it to be. Okay, so quick video again. Get Greg with Planet Green Zen. Hope you guys did enjoy this. So again, if you do enjoy these messages, please like the video, subscribe, share, comment below, and let me know some of your thoughts. And what have you visualized that manifested into the physical reality, or whatever it is, or even if it was money in the bank account. Again, let me know what are some things that you've been visualizing that actually are coming to true or have come true. I would love to hear those comments. So also, if you guys still need resources with, manifesting what you want, I do have some resources in the description for those. So it's for manifesting what you want, to having the right mindset so you can manifest what you want. Go ahead and click on those resources, enter your email address, let me know what you think about those videos, and I'll talk to you guys soon. All right, we're planning Green Zen, and have a great day.